Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.6, Problem 25. This is Section 1.6, Problem 25. It asks you to multiply in your head, if you can, 150 times 3,000. This is a very large numbers, but it's not as hard as you think to multiply them in your head. So what makes it a little bit easier than you'd think, so many of the digits are zeros. So what you want to do is initially just ignore the zeros and focus on the non-zero digits, multiply those, and then put the zeros back in your answer. So if I ignore the zeros and focus only on the non-zero digits, the problem boils down to 15 times 3. Those are the non-zero digits. And that's not a tough multiplication, that's 45. So now I'll take my answer of 45, and now I'll put the zeros back that I ignored. So how many zeros did I ignore? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros were ignored. So I put back in my answer of 45, I have a 45 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros after it. And when the numbers get that big, I do like to put in a comma. So if I start from the far right, count over 3 spots, I'd put a comma in. And now the answer is 450,000.